OnePlus may shockers all with their 10th gen flagship? Yes. Guys, OnePlus 11 is coming late this year, so a massive news coming in the device you are looking right now is the standard OnePlus 11 and not the OnePlus 11 Pro. This means we may see the OnePlus 11 Pro with ultra hand specifications late next year, but this one is the OnePlus 11 non-Pro variant. Max Jamber, a reputable tech leaker, has stated that his source believe the future flagship OnePlus 11 phone will just be called that, and will not be released with another Pro device. And now we have the final specifications from DCS, and this is the first non-Pro flagship with telephoto zoom lens, and a high-resolution display. The OnePlus 11 could have a big 6.7-inch screen that will have support for 2K resolution. According to Chinese tipster Digital Chat Station, we will likely get to see a punch-hole display design and may change only be visible. At the back panel, the AMOLED panel is expected to come with a 120Hz refresh rate for a smoother scrolling experience. The OnePlus 11 is coming with 1440p 2K resolution panel with a side-hole punch selfie shooter. DCS is sure OnePlus's main focus is on the performance, and that is why they are using TSMC-made Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and 100 watts of insane fast charging, but which is lower than 150 watts charging that users get with the OnePlus 10R. The company offers the device with up to 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage options. The new version might still not have a support for storage expansion, considering OnePlus has never offered it with any of its phones. In addition to this, OnePlus 11 is using a 50-megapixel Sony sensor, and 48-megapixel of ultra-wide-angle lens and a 32-megapixel telephoto lens, which can 20x high-resolution zoom. Additionally, it supports HDR and has a high PPI pixels per inch for clear images. And still a 16-megapixel selfie camera on the front. Given the price that OnePlus charges, the 16-megapixel front camera is not worth it. At the time, OnePlus had said that the alert slider was removed as this was a necessary trade-off, because it allowed the company to ensure that there is space inside the device to add a new meaningful technologies. But after the criticism by fans, OnePlus is bringing back the alert slider in the OnePlus 11. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.